there lived a woodcutter. Every day, he would go to the forest to cut wood. He was busy cutting wood. When the woodcutter saw the lion, he was frightened. He had no time to run up a tree to save his life. It is better to surrender. That afternoon, the lion went to the woodcutter. He was accompanied by his friends, the fox and the crow. When the woodcutter saw the three friends walking towards him, he quickly climbed up the highest branch of a tree. The lion came to the tree and said,
"Why did you climb up the tree? Don't you recognize me? I am your friend, the lion."